Today I am going to perform activity 8.17 in grade 8 science syllabus. Okay, grade 8 lesson 8 changes in matter. Okay, this is activity 8.17. Okay, I am going to prepare sodium hydroxide solution and sodium chloride, that's been common salt we use in day-to-day life, that solution, and dilute sulfuric acid solution. Okay, and try with red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, then pH papers and phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, let's observe what happened when we add phenolphthalein indicator and use this red, blue and pH indicator. We can observe color change. Okay. We are going to prepare sodium chloride solution by dissolving this sodium chloride. This is common salt we used in day-to-day life. Okay, this is common salt. We dissolve this salt in water to prepare sodium chloride solution. Okay, dissolve it. I took some sodium hydroxide crystals into this beaker to prepare sodium hydroxide solution. I add some amount of water and dissolve the sodium hydroxide crystals in water to prepare aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. This is dilute sulfuric acid prepared solution by diluting concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, I pour that solution into this labeled test tube. We have to use this solution carefully since this is acid. Okay, now I have prepared solution of sodium hydroxide and sodium chloride and dilute sulfuric acid solution. Okay, now I am going to test these solutions with this pH paper and litmus paper. Okay, this is red litmus. Okay, and this is blue litmus and this is pH papers. I am going to test color change of these papers. Okay, then finally I am going to test this color change of these solutions with this phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, phenolphthalein indicator. First, let's try with blue litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper. Let's observe what happened to these papers, color of this paper when we check with each of these solution. Okay. First, try with sodium hydroxide solution. Okay. This is blue litmus paper. Okay. No color change. Okay. With blue litmus paper with sodium hydroxide solution, no color change. Okay. Then let's try with this sodium chloride solution. Okay, sodium chloride solution with blue litmus paper. Again, no color change, right? No color change, only blue color. Now I am going to check this blue litmus paper with dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, this is dilute sulfuric acid. Let's observe what happened. Here, can you see the color change?
Yeah.
Yes. Blue litmus don't touch. This is acid. We have to use this carefully. Okay. Blue color of this litmus paper change into red color.
Red.
Yes, it's red color. Okay, with dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, blue litmus paper turn into red color. Now I am going to test each of these solution with red litmus paper. Okay, this is red litmus paper. Okay, let's try what happened when we dip this red litmus paper in sodium hydroxide solution. Yes, color change, right? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue color. Okay. red litmus paper turn into blue color with sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, red litmus paper turn into blue color.
Yeah.
Okay, then we are going to try this sodium chloride solution with red litmus paper. Okay, dip here and check with the color change. Color change or not?
No.
No color change. Okay, with sodium chloride solution, no color change in red litmus paper. Okay, I'm going to try this red litmus paper with dilute sulfuric acid. Okay. Red litmus paper, no color change with dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, no color change. Okay. Now I am going to try this each solution. Sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride and dilute sulfuric acid with this pH papers. Okay. Okay. This is pH papers. Okay. Color of pH paper is yellowish color. Okay.
Yellow.
This is yellow color.
Yellow.
What we have to do is we have to dip this pH paper in this solution. If you want, you can try. Do you want to try?
Okay.
Yes. Color change into what color?
Purple.
Purple color. Yes. Then we have to compare this color with this color code. Okay. Here, this is color code. Here, what can you see? It is more than 7, right? This is 7. This is less than 7 values and this is more than 7 values. Okay. This color change with sodium hydroxide solution is more than 7. It's about 10, 11 like that. Okay.
Mommy.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Then we now I am going to use the same pH paper with sodium chloride solution. Okay. Other half of the pH paper. Yes. Can you see color change?
No.
No. No color change, right? This color of pH paper. Yes. With sodium chloride solution, no color change. Okay, I am going to try this pH paper with dilute sulfuric acid solution. Okay, sulfuric acid solution. Let's observe color change. Here, you can observe color change. This reddish color. Okay, give me this. Okay, then we have to compare the color of that with this color code. Okay, this is pH paper color code. You can see it's around 3, right? Less than 7. Okay, this orange color. It's like pH of this solution is around 3, right? We have to match this color with this pH paper color scale. Okay, that is dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, now I am going to try the color change. Whether color change is there or not when you use phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, this is phenolphthalein indicator. I am going to add few drop of phenolphthalein indicator into sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, let's observe what happens when we add phenolphthalein indicator. Do you want to add? Yeah. Into sodium hydroxide solution. Yes, you can add. Yes, what happened?
I did a purple.
Yes, it's turned into pinkish color, right? When we add phenolphthalein indicator into sodium hydroxide solution, this is the color change. Okay, turn into pinkish color. If you shake, yes, if you shake, that color can spread. Can you see the spreading of color? Then I am going to add a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator into sodium chloride solution. Okay, add. Can you see color change? No color change. Okay, with sodium chloride solution, no color change when we add phenolphthalein indicator. I'm going to add phenolphthalein indicator into dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, yes. Can you see color change? No color change. Okay. Dilute sulfuric acid solution. No color change with phenolphthalein indicator. Okay. This is our observation. Okay. The phenolphthalein indicator turn into pinkish color in sodium hydroxide solution. Okay. But no color change with sodium chloride and dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, we can conclude that color of phenolphthalein indicator turn into pinkish color in basic medium. Okay, because sodium hydroxide is basic solution. But in acidic solutions like dilute sulfuric acid and also salt solution like sodium chloride solution. Okay, no color change with phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, and we observe that when we use blue litmus, that turn into red color in acidic medium. Okay, blue litmus turn into red color in acidic medium. Then red litmus. Okay, red litmus turn into blue color in basic medium. Okay, in basic medium, red litmus turn into blue color. But both of these blue litmus and red litmus, there is no color change with salt solution. Okay, salt solution, no color change. When you use pH papers with salt solution, no color change. Okay, but when we compare the color change of acidic and basic medium, we observe that when we compare the color change with this color scale of pH paper, okay, acidic color, okay, acidic color is here, less than 7, okay. pH value of acidic solutions like dilute sulfuric acid is less than 7. It is orangish color. Okay. Then pH of basic solutions like sodium hydroxide, it is purple color. That means more than 7. More than 7. Okay, more than 7. In acidic medium, pH paper turn into orangish red color. Okay, that means less than 7. In basic medium, pH paper turn into bluish purple color. That means more than 7. Okay. In salt solution, we did not observe color change, but it is around 7. Okay. That means neutral value. No acidic or basic. Okay. That's how we estimate the pH value of solution using pH scale, pH indicator. Okay. pH papers. Okay, hope to join with another amazing science experiment soon. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.